Well, here's today's exciting project. Just knocked over 20-ton excavator, just knocked over about a 40-metre pine tree. There's the stump there. Just cleaning it up because it's in the road of the car. Them two are staying. But this one has to go and this tree has to go because this is going to be a car park just here for our holiday cabins for people to come and stay in. And she's a big old tree, this one. It was the biggest of the three. She's a beauty. That's all stump. It's a massive tree. So yeah, I'm just chopping it up into bite-sized pieces for the tractor. Have to pick that stump up with the excavator. Nearly bigger than me bucket, this piece. It'll be about 300 kilos, that chunk. Scraping out all the bits of all the root system and putting it here so I can pick it up with the tractor. And that'll do you, big girl.